Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and here we are with the new course. Okay, I'm just starting up the new course, HTML course. I was also planning for the CS and the JavaScript as well, but one by one. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you a lot about the HTML that you would be able to create your own websites. So let's just have a brief idea what is the HTML. It is a standard markup language for creating the web pages, alright? As simple as that. And it describes the structure of the web page, and HTML consists of the series of the elements, and HTML elements tell the browser that how to display the content. Okay, it only tells the browser that how to display the content. Alright, so why one should learn an HTML? Okay, there would be the numerous reason to learn about the HTML, but the common one or the most the general ideas for learning this thing is if you are into the SEO thing, or you are doing the WordPress, or you are kind of into the web building platforms. Okay, if you into these things, so if you had a knowledge about the HTML, it will be a lot more easier for you to understand how the web work, and you will also be capable to customize your WordPress website and other things as well. It will really help you to optimize that website. And the second point is, if you want to create the website, okay, website, different kind of website for the other people or for your own self, okay, so you could learn HTML just to save your money and the time. And in the last thing, if you are into IT thing, or you are into the computer science, you just want to start out your web career, web development career, then you would have to learn about the HTML, because it is a kind of foundation thing for the web development. All right, so definitely for the web career, or even for the freelancing, if you're taking the project from the customers, you can also earn money by learning HTML. It won't be alone the HTML, you would have to learn CSS and the JavaScript as well. Okay, so this was the whole idea of this video, that what is the HTML and why one should learn this. And this is all for this video, and if you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.